Hi, it's me Haseeba, your content queen, and I'm back with video 4. Welcome. Today I'm going to talk to you about another vital step in creating and kicking off a culture of innovation. In the last video, I touched upon step 1, doing an audit on your culture. And now that you've aligned your company purpose, innovation objectives, value proposition framework, and your employee feedback, it's time for step 2, kickoff. And remember to always keep in mind people, software, and process. Now, in kicking off your innovation strategy, you need to be mindful of your communication. Share the strategy with all your employees. Highlight what was incorporated from the employee survey that was based on their feedback. And solicit additional feedback to fine-tune and then be able to produce a final version of your innovation strategy. As long as employees are part of this process, they will feel engaged and empowered, resulting in more active participation. Now, studies on organizational change show that leaders across the board agree. If you want to lead a successful transformation, communicating empathetically is critical. So leaders, empathy is key. Now, what does the step kickoff entail? Well, kickoff is sharing the new innovation strategy within your organization and creating the buzz, opening up the channels for effective two-way feedback and demonstrating your commitment to this new focus or way of working. It's an ideal time to launch your internal campaign, highlighting goals and setting expectations on what everyone can expect. Now, remember to create a buzz and excitement on what's to come. And make sure you're consistent with your communication, choosing a day and time, either weekly or bi-weekly, so that employees know when to expect the communications relating to the innovation drive, and they can also look out for it. Choose catchy and punchy taglines and internal hashtags so that employees can find information easily in your collaboration software or when sharing updates on the company intranet. And use a variety of content sharing mediums. We all know that death by email and too much info is not ideal. So use video as an example. Posters in the lifts and virtual e-cards are all effective, especially when you have a mix of office and remote-based employees. All of these examples are known to work extremely well. And video is also a cool way to introduce innovation champions per department who will be accessible to answer any questions or support the teams. Video is an attention grabber for sure. Encourage ideation and remind and reinforce to your employees that no idea or suggestion is silly or trivial. Every idea should be welcomed, and employees should be made to feel that their input is appreciated. Now, with so many employees working remotely, send snail mail as part of your campaign. Maybe bespoke fun ideation board games or some fun giveaways in the post to stay top of mind. In our next video, we'll continue to cover the steps in creating and kicking off a culture of innovation. We'll touch upon step 3, which is all about ideation incentives and feedback. Now, stay safe, folks, and don't forget to follow Wide Ideas on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Until next week, ciao.